Algae plays an important role in healthy ecosystems. When it grows out of control, it can destroy your water's value due to toxins, pH swings, bad odors, and unsightly floating and suspended solids. Blooms are enhanced by excess phosphorus and nitrogen. This nutrient pollution comes from residential, agricultural, and industrial sources. One of the most problematic algae are the blue-greens, also called cyanobacteria. Many blue-green algae contain toxins harmful to aquatic life, pets, and people. SonicPure uses advanced ultrasonic technology with a wide range of frequencies to kill most forms of blue-green algae without the risk, cost, and time associated with algicide treatment. Our technology is sustainable, environmentally friendly, and operates 24/7. Our Pulsar 4400 transmits over 4,000 discrete frequencies targeting the diversity of algal bloom species. Ultrasonic sound waves excite a cell's structural resonance, interfering with internal cellular mechanisms and structures. At the proper frequency, the cellular mechanisms are disrupted, causing damage to the cell. The gas inside escapes and dissipates through the outer membrane. The algae loses buoyancy and sinks to the bottom. On the bottom, lacking sunlight for photosynthesis, the algae gradually die. The concentration of cyanotoxins decreases over time. Unlike the application of algicides, ultrasound has no negative impact on beneficial benthic bacteria. There is no increasing phosphorus release that contributes to a new bloom. Ultrasound supports a balanced and healthy ecosystem. SonicPure's Pulsar 4400 is environmentally friendly, operates 24/7, and clears your water quickly and reliably without the use of chemicals, enabling you to be a better steward of the environment and your community.